Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching.
There's nothing different with my background.
Anyways, so today we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy Plus box. I'm actually really excited about this box, you guys. You have no idea. Honestly, I'm actually really excited, which is strange to say for Ipsy these days. But anyways, you guys, if you have not entered my JEFFREE Star giveaway, I will have a video down below. Go click on it. It'll explain everything. I'm giving away the Alien palette. I'm giving away lots of exclusives, the exclusive gloss. Just go check it out. Go figure out how to enter my giveaway. All the info will be at that video. So click it. Click the video. If you are wondering about this fantastic eye look, it is with the Alien palette, and I will be uploading my video, I think, on Saturday. It's going to be a collab with another YouTuber, so get excited for that. And yeah, so I guess that is it. I just really want to show you guys what I got in this box. So if you guys haven't already, give this video a thumbs up because you're gonna love it. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Here is the Ipsy Plus, the $25 a month subscription. I'm pumped. I'm so excited. So you guys need to be excited too. Alrighty, let's go ahead and pop this baby open. Alright, so this month's theme is Feel the Love, which obviously, you know, on brand with the Valentine's Day situation. So this is going to tell us all of the prices of everything in the box. I do have some add-on items that I don't have the prices for. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I added on really quick. I have the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner here, and it has a cute little kitty on the top. I don't know why that was so hard for me to get out. This is actually the liquid liner. Let me be a YouTuber. A liquid liner. I love the pencil liner of this, and I saw this on add-ons. I think I got it for $3. It's a sample size. I think this is a sample size. It's big enough for me, and I went ahead and got this because I wanted to try out the liquid liner. The pencil liner of that is such a good liner, so you know, hopefully it's good. The other add-on that I got was I think a $12 add-on. They had $18 ones too, but I think this one was $12. This is the Grayson Stella This Rose 8 Thorny Rose Roller. I know that, you know, this came in the ultimate box because I looked. I think I fixed the lighting when I did that. No, I didn't. Hold on. But I just really wanted a face roller. I got the Cosmetics face roller, but it has those little grooves in it. And I wanted a face roller that was just like flat and smooth. So pretty excited about this. Let me open it up and show you. Now I have tried Grayson Stella before. I have a rose facial spray behind me somewhere. Yeah, it's over there. So I have tried out the brand. So I'm pretty excited about this. Oh, it says good choice. Great. Okay. Okay. And here we have, oh, this is actually so pretty and so nice looking, and it's very heavy. I'm actually so oh, that's cold. I'm so excited for some rejuvenated skin, some nice face masks with this. And I love how this handle is even like, you know, the rose quartz is, what is this? Yeah, rose quartz. So we have our little one here and we have our big one here. So I'm actually excited about this. I mean, that's why I added it on. I'm excited about it. Anyways, let's get to the actual contents of the box that I received. Here we have a really cool like packaged little thing going on. This is from Larousse. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I actually love the whole presentation of this. Like, tell me that's not the cutest little thing, like a little letter thing. What is this? This is the Essentials brush set. So it comes with 5 brushes, and the retail value is $154. I have never even heard of you. I mean, the packaging is pretty freaking snazzy, so maybe it is $154 worth for 5 brushes. I don't know. Let's open it up and see. Oh, I guess the sticker is just for like fanciness, because you still gotta open it up. I mean, the presentation is so nice. Okay, so here, nope. Okay, so here are the brushes. They have the same like grooves, like studded almost looking grooves, like a Moda brush that I've gotten in the past. And I mean, they're soft, they feel nice, but I don't think this set is worth $154. Like, whoever this is has lost their mind. Like, this is not worth that much money. Am I going to use the brushes? Absolutely, but it's not worth that price. Like, I don't know who thought that these were worth that much, but they're not. So yeah, $154. No, I don't think so. Next up, we have something from Touch in Soul. This is the Pretty Filter Soul Velvet Lipstick in Soul Rose. I think that's how you pronounce that. I actually love Touch in Soul, and I've never tried their lipstick, so I'm very excited about this. This has a value of $16. Packaging is so cute. And then this is what the container looks like. And this is the lipstick shade. Very pretty. This looks to be very matte. Let's give it a swatch. Oh, it feels so creamy. Look at that color. Extremely gorgeous. It has kind of like a rosy scent to it, so I wonder what's in there. It's in Korean, so I cannot read that. But this actually looks like it's gonna be like so pretty on the lips. I guess it's a velvet lipstick. Yeah, but it looks really matte, but it looks so nice. I guess it does look velvety. I don't know what I'm talking about. Next up, we have something from Murad. This is the Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It has a value of $65. It brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. Murad is so good, you guys. This is what the packaging looks like, and I want to do a little smell test. Yep, definitely citrusy. I think I'm going to enjoy this. Here we have another eyeliner. This is from Il Maquillage in black. I have really enjoyed the things that I've gotten from this brand. They have a really good mascara. They have really nice lipsticks. So I'm actually pretty excited about this. So let's open it up and look at it. It has a retail value of $21. So here we go. That's the liner. And it has a really long felt tip, so I'm pretty excited to try this out. I think this is a repeated item. I think I remember talking about this in a past spoiler video, but I'm so excited to try out the liner. Also, really quick before we get to the last item, this is the little Ipsy bag for this month. It's very pretty. I do like it for a Valentine's Day themed bag, but I feel like this should have been the regular Ipsy Glam bag, because I mean, it looks like a regular Ipsy Glam bag. And the one that came in the regular Ipsy, like $12 subscription, had like a nice velvet bag that looked like it should have been in the $25 box. But I mean, I don't really use the bags anyways, but that's my only little complaint, is that this should be the $12 bag. They needed to swap that. This little tag is cute. But anyways, the bag is really cute. Now let's get on to my favorite item out of this box. So this is the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather Palette. This is a palette that I was gonna buy, and I did it, and then it got sold out, and then I was like really sad. But oh, you guys, I'm so excited that I have this palette. This is what it looks like, and it's got like a sweater texture to it. So cute. And the retail value on this is $29, which technically it is, but it's also not, because if you bought this from Dominique Cosmetics, it comes with 2 mini lipsticks, and then that total price is $29. But I'm just happy that I got this in a $25 box, so I saved a little money if I was to actually buy it outright. But I'm so excited. These are like the prettiest shades ever. This is gonna be my my second Dominique palette, but they're just like these really nice soft shades, so I'm excited. And this is like perfect for Valentine's Day looks. Maybe I'll do like a soft Valentine's glam get ready with me and have it uploaded before Friday. Nope, that's probably not gonna happen. But it was the thought that counts, the idea. But I am so excited about this palette. Like, it's just, oh, it's so good. Oh, I'm like the worst at swatches, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a look with this video. Look with this palette eventually. Just look out for it. It'll come. Because I really want to play with this palette and it'd be fun to do it in a video. But anyways, that is all that I got in my Ipsy this month. Do I think it was worth the $25? Absolutely, for the palette alone. If I didn't get this palette, I still think it would be worth it if it was something else in the box. This one, I think, for me personally, the items that I got, I'm actually really happy with. So good job, Ipsy. I saw what was coming in the Ultimate this month. I'm so sorry, guys. You guys got gypped again. Not one Ipsy Ultimate box has been good, like, at all. Like, please just unsubscribe. It's not gonna get any better. I don't see it because it's been months and we still don't know half the brands that are in the box. It's still way overpriced. Like, these $100 and something brushes, no way. So yeah, I need to hear your thoughts, your opinions, all of that down in the comments below, and let's talk about it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.